Check out how I cook this ribeye steak. Step 1, pat it down with some paper towels to absorb any excess moisture. This shall help us get an incredible sear. Step 2, generously apply some salt and pepper to the top, the bottom, and try to get some on the sides too. Step 3, wait for 40 minutes and let it come to room temperature. Step 4, after about 40 minutes, put a cast iron skillet over one of the burners on the stove, and you're going to want to get this thing to around 500 degrees. While that pan's heating up, get some butter, a couple cloves of garlic, and some rosemary on deck. Once your skillet hits 500 degrees, throw down some avocado oil and start frying the steak. Make sure to flip once every minute. Sear the sides of your steaks too. Once the outsides have a nice sear to them, use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. Once the internal temperature of my steak reaches the mid-120s, I pull it. Turn off the burner. Wait about 1 minute for the pan to just slightly cool off. Place the butter, rosemary, and garlic cloves in the pan and mix them together for about 2 or 3 minutes. Pour the butter sauce over the steak and let it rest for 5 more minutes. And this is what it should look like in the end. Not too shabby, if you ask me.